I'm going to use some of this Raptor white protective coating, got off Amazon here, and see if I can touch up a little bit of the tailgate that I forgot to spray. We'll see how that turns out. This stuff is kind of odd. It really bubbles up. They say like 12 to 24 inches. So see if you can see this. So you definitely want to stay back a little ways on this stuff. So now, see how this is gonna do. Pretty hard to see this white on white. See if I can get you a better shot here. All right. So their white stuff is very white. No other pigment as far as I know. So like I said, this is an Oxford white. I can't remember if this is a Y something or what. This is still wet here. So it might darken up a little bit, but I think once it darkens up and gets a haze to it, it won't be too bad. We'll see, but I forgot to paint that strip whenever I did the Raptor liner. And as far as the texture goes, so this was sprayed, I think I was around 70 psi on their gun that they sell, and then this was out of the aerosol can. So you see that texture match is pretty good. This stuff's about like spraying Cool Whip. So when they say 12 to 24 inches, you want to stay back from there, because if you get up close to it, it's just going to kind of blow up. Now we've had a lot of wildfires out here, so this is dirty too. That's why that's so dark. And you can see the other side in the light. It's not quite as bad, but if you get the light just right, it doesn't look so bad, because I painted all down in here, across there where I put some seam sealer on that, so I don't think it'll stick out too bad. As far as coverage for one can, so that was one can, so I figure a light coat. I don't know if you would quite get one side of a tailgate with two cans. You'd probably want to buy 3 cans to be safe. So it does not go very far, and if you're thinking of you'll just save some money by buying spray cans to do a bed, forget about it, because that was like 22 bucks for that can. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody. We'll see how it lasts.